Well, here's some good news. Popcorn is a 100% whole grain goodie that, when prepared correctly, delivers a high dose of heart-protecting phytonutrients. The reputation of America's iconic snack has been badly damaged in recent years. First, we found out that a bag of movie popcorn and a soda delivers a total of more than 1,600 calories and 60 grams of saturated fat. Then we discovered that the packaging of microwave popcorn sheds a carcinogen that lingers in your body. Well, here's some good news. Popcorn is a 100% whole grain goodie that, when prepared correctly, delivers a high dose of heart-protecting phytonutrients. It's high in fiber too, which helps to control bad LDL cholesterol and smooth digestion. Plus, 4 cups of popcorn is a great 100-calorie snack. Here's how to make your popcorn a smart snack. Opt for organic popcorn to avoid genetically modified corn. Prepare your popcorn in an air popper that uses heat, not oil, to fluff up the crunchy kernels. Flavor your popcorn with a spritz of olive oil and healthful seasonings, such as garlic, cinnamon, hot paprika, and red pepper flakes and curry powder.